So you're working with a person and you are doing some kind of change work. How would you know that what you're doing is actually working with that person? Assalamu alaikum, this is Kamran Sultan, and we are starting our NLP practitioner certification training. Or aaj we will start with a very, very important and a very major skill in NLP that you will find useful in every kind of change work that you do. Okay, so calibration. First, let's understand calibration kya hoti hai. Okay, calibration basically it means to measure and to utilize the obvious outer behavioral changes of an individual as their internal thinking and feeling state changes. इतनी सारी अंग्रेजी जो है हमें तो समझ में आती नहीं, तो सीधे सीधे आसान लफ्जों में बात की जाए. Basically, it's like people change from moment to moment. Okay, and वो जो change होता है वो उनके verbal and non-verbal उसकी कुछ indications आपको नजर आएंगे. Okay, NLP में सिगमंड फ्रॉइड से कोई हमआंगी नहीं पाई जाती, लेकिन उसकी एक बात जो है उसको खासा it's एग्री किया जाता है, and that is he said that people communicate through every pore of their being. But होता क्या है कि when people are communicating, तो हम rather than paying attention to the person in front of us, we go inside our own heads and start thinking and start waiting, and we wait कि बस ये चुप हो तो मैं अपनी बात शुरू करूं. और जब हम ये कर रहे होते हैं तो हमारी जो attention होती है वो कहीं और चली गई होती है, and as a result we miss a lot of information जो हमारे सामने आ रही होती है. It's the same kind of thing that happens. It's like आप लोग जब I tell you not to take notes but to pay attention, so you can see what's happening here. It's like on your screen, if this is the only connection we have is at this point. So calibration जो है, this is one of those key skills कि जब आपके पास कोई शख्स आता है, if you're doing a coaching session, if you're doing a therapy session, somebody comes to you for any kind of change work. हमने एक बात की थी कि the first thing NLP में to be successful is to know your outcome, and then you start operating and taking action. But when you're taking action, you need to notice कि आपकी जो actions हैं, are they taking you closer to where you want to go, to your destination, or taking you away from it? If it's taking you closer or away from, how would you know that? You would know that through calibration. So you're working with a person and you are doing some kind of change work. How would you know that what you're doing is actually working with that person? You will know that through calibration. Okay, so आप उसको observe करें, आप उसको change पे काम करें. So somebody comes to you और जब वो आता है तो उसका जो physiology है वो यूं है, उसका सर झुका हुआ है, वो जो बात कर रहा है उसकी आवाज आहिस्ता आहिस्ता स्लो बात कर रहा है, और अपनी मेरे साथ ये हो गया और ये मेरे साथ ये मसला और मेरे साथ वो मसला. And you do your change work, and after your session, he's saying हाँ जी बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है, मुझे बहुत फायदा हुआ, बहुत अच्छा किया आपने, it's like really nice. So he's actually lying. वो it's like they're trying to make you feel happy. Sometimes you will find people, they will try to make you feel good. Okay, just because you are trying to help them, they want to reciprocate or something. So rather than being totally honest with you, they'll just say हाँ जी बहुत अच्छा लगा है. Okay, so if you notice कि जब भी आया था तब भी यूं था और अभी ये कह रहा है जी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है and बड़ा change feel हो रहा है, he is actually lying, because you can calibrate, there is no change. And sometimes you will find कि जब आपने start किया तो वो ऐसे था, and you finish your session and you say मुझे कोई difference तो feel नहीं हो रहा. Your work is done actually. Okay, because this is an indication कि उसका जो the change था, that has already happened. It's just कि वो अभी उसकी consciousness में नहीं आया. Okay, so calibration is one of those key skills that you will find आप किसी भी area में कहीं पर भी लोगों से communicate कर रहे हो. this is one of those major things. So it's as a trainer, if I'm teaching a class, I'm calibrating my students. Okay, I'm noticing what's happening in my class. अगर मेरे सामने 50 स्टूडेंट्स बैठे हों या 500 स्टूडेंट्स बैठे हों या मेरे पास ऑनलाइन हो, I need to keep calibrating कि यहाँ पर क्या चीज हो रही है, क्या चीज समझ में आ रही है, क्या नहीं आ रही. So कैलिब्रेशन में जो चीजें हैं, ये तो हमने इसकी अंग्रेजी की डेफिनेशन आपको पढ़ के सुनाई. व्हाट टू कैलिब्रेट, किसी की कम्युनिकेशन में, किसी की नॉन वर्बल क्यूज में क्या चीजें हैं जिन्हें हम कैलिब्रेट कर सकते हैं.